Look no further than the 2019 Kia Stinger. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Feed your hunger for high performance in this Kia Stinger, the adrenaline-pumping hatchback competition car that features a lightweight, strong, rigid body and multiple drive modes. With advanced safety systems, driver assist tech, connectivity, and a refined sense of luxury, you'll find exhilaration on the daily commute as well as at the track. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Feel all your senses come alive in this exceptional Stinger. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.